stations, we are initiating the turn sequence. Escort vehicles maintain position. Transporter, execute slow pivot right.
At Florida's Kennedy Space Center, the dream of space travel takes physical form. But how exactly are these giants built?
Standing at 365 feet, the SLS is the most powerful rocket ever built.
How do they even build something that big?
It must take huge factories and incredible machines.
This is the largest rocket we've built since the Saturn V, capable of reaching Mars.
Wow, how do they build it?
The cycle time on cell 4 is holding steady at 92%.
Good. We are clear for the next sequence according to the checklist.
High Bay Control, this is Supervisor Area 6. All parallel operations are nominal. Automated cart sequence is active and proceeding on schedule.
Rotate the thrust vector assembly view.
Highlighting the interface boundary now. The vibration analysis is nominal.
This section here is showing high stress concentration.
The latest simulation update accounts for that.
Good. Let's approve the design freeze.
Factories prepare advanced raw materials like aluminum alloys, titanium, and carbon fiber composites, ensuring every panel meets rigorous standards.
Trim sequence complete. Confirming tolerances are within NASA specifications. Proceed to assembly.
Lift slow.
Left a touch, down slow.
Engineers install powerful rocket engines assembled with turbopumps, combustion chambers, and cooling systems, producing enormous thrust.
Removing the final cap now.
Clear. Bring it in slowly.
Torquing the first bolt to spec.
Stage rising, tracking steady.
Initiating lateral move. Watch your spacing.
Set point acquired, easy down to the alignment pins.
Data confirms peak threshold reached. Hold current load for 5 minutes.
Valve manifold check complete. Readiness confirmed.
Roger that. Initiating interlock sequence. We are green. All systems green, proceeding as planned.
Roger that. Keep it steady. We are clear.
All readings confirm nominal. Vibration and tilt indicators holding steady in the green zone. We are within limits. Over.
All stations, we are initiating the turn sequence. Escort vehicles maintain position. Transporter, execute slow pivot right. Initiate vertical ascent, clear the cradle.
Roger that. We have lateral movement for the timeout.
All systems go. We are clear for launch. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7. Main engine start.